Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Super excited because today I'm cooking pork chops on the Traeger. That's right, but I'm not just cooking them. I am searing them at 500 degrees. Let's talk ingredients, show you all the cool things we're doing, and then we'll head out and get that grill fired up before we do a little bit of prep. Ingredients today, super easy because we are keeping it light and we're letting the flavors of that Traeger shine. So I've got some boneless Duroc pork chops that we're gonna use. We're gonna use the Ace Reserve cherry rub just to get some sweet and fruity flavors in there. A little bit of Sugar Lips barbecue sauce if you decide you want barbecue sauce. Super simple, super easy. Let's dig in and do some prep work. But first, let's head out and show you how we get the grill started and get it ready for cooking. Well, we went ahead and topped the Traeger off with our Ace Reserve Blend pellets. Check it out. That's right. We are cooking at 500 degrees today. So we'll set the temp, press ignite, and we are going to get this up to 500 degrees for some of that wood-fired searing. We took the chops out of the package. Now I'm leaving them. I'm not patting them dry or rinsing them off because guess what? Need a little bit of that moisture to act as a binder. So let's go ahead and slide this out of the way. I have my anti-slip mat. That'll keep the pan from sliding. We'll go ahead and get these guys over here. Great thing about these chops, I have some perfect white meat chops. I have some dark meat chops. Life is good. I'm going to get every one of my family set with their favorite chop for dinner. Now we'll take that Ace Reserve blend, a little of that sweet and fruity cherry, and we'll go ahead and just hit these guys on the first side, as light or as heavy. We always say as light or as heavy as you want. Go ahead and get those seasoned up like that. I'll give them a quick little tamp or a little pat. Tamp that down just a little bit. Go ahead and flip these over, and we'll season this side as well. Oh, so good. All right. We are done. Now, I'm gonna let these soak while the grill reaches temperature, and I just want some of that rub to activate. I want this to kind of do its thing and infuse some of that beautiful flavor in there, but we're done. Prep is finished. Preheated right to 500 degrees. Look at those chops. They are seasoned well. Go ahead and add these in, and we're gonna get a little bit of sear. Now, we are not gonna go anywhere because we are gonna be cooking these hot and fast. Here we are right after 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and give those a flip right there. And we'll get these guys finished up. Like I said, today's cooking temperature, I'm going right towards that 145 degrees. That is well-cooked pork. Well, here we are right after 6 minutes of cooking, and it looks like we're right at about 112 degrees, so we're gonna keep going on this side, leave them alone. Again, our desired doneness today, 145 degrees. So we'll come back and check on them when they're ready. Well, there you have it after 12 minutes of cook time. Look at that beautiful color on those chops. They are right at that perfect 145 degrees. I'll see you in the kitchen. Let's check out that doneness there and look at that. Those, my friends, are perfectly cooked pork chops. I love it. Juicy, delicious, and I'll tell you what, fast and easy. Dinner, 12 minutes. So we have hot, fast, tasty, juicy, and delicious. Not bad at all. Pork chops, 12 minutes on the Traeger. That is a victory. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do I like bone-in or boneless pork chops? Which ones are better? We will end that debate for you. Will we? Yeah, we will, because stay tuned. Coming up, I've got a video talking about bone-in versus boneless.